Hi, in this video you will learn how you will achieve this beautiful and natural looking full face of makeup by only using Maybelline products. And I'm also going to put this tutorial into steps so that you're able to see which product I'm going to use, what technique I'm going to use, and how you can achieve it if you're going to recreate the look at home. Now, my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a professional makeup artist, and let's get started. Now, to achieve a natural and lightweight base, try to use a BB cream instead of a foundation, as a BB cream is definitely more lightweight and it will give you a natural finish because of the coverage. You still will see your skin looking through, but it also will help you to even out your skin tone, and if you have like tiny bit of redness, for example around the nose, this also will help you to even it out. And I'm also going to use the Maybelline Dream Satin BB cream in the fairest shade. And I'm also going to use my fingers for application. Now, the texture of this BB cream is very liquidish, which makes it so easy to apply it with your fingers, and it also will give you the most natural and quickest application. And this one includes SPF 30 as well as it's non-greasy. It still will give you a little bit of a natural glow, but it definitely won't look oily. Use a bit on your finger and then apply it on the main areas before blending it in. Now it's time for concealer, and I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer, which is the most favorite and also famous concealer from the line, and I'm going to use this one for under my eyes, as well as if you have any major redness or mega dark spots which you want to cover up to have an even skin canvas, then you can use the concealer too for those areas. As we are just going to specifically use the concealer on those spots where you need to have a little bit more coverage, but we are not going to use it all over the face. And you can either use it directly from the sponge applicator or from a brush. Now, moving on to powder to set your makeup or the under eye areas only. It depends on your skin type. Not everyone needs to use powder all over the face. And if you have an oily skin type, just use it where you have the most oily areas, or maybe this might also be all over the face. But if you have a dry skin, then you just can use it also to set it under the eyes, where it can crease quite a lot. But for the rest, just keep it very natural so that you can keep this natural glow. And so I'm going to use the Fit Me powder, which is the pressed version. And I'm also going to use a smaller brush with it so that I just can use it under the eyes and also where I've applied the concealer so that it also will stay put. So it's time for blush so that we can emphasize the cheeks a tiny bit more and also will add a little bit more warmth to the face. Now I'm going to use the Dream Matte blush, which is a cream blush. And if you're going to apply it, it goes on like a cream texture, but once you're blending it in, it also transfers kind of into a powder, which is a very interesting formula. But I love this blush so much because you can also use your fingers for it for a quicker and easier application. Now it's time for bronzer. Now you either can use, depending on what blush you have, start with the bronzer first and then add blush. But because I used a cream blush that then turns into a powder, I wanted to apply this one first so that it also transfers into powder. And now for bronzer, I'm also going to use the Maybelline City Bronzer to apply it also on top of my cheeks, forehead and chin area, just a tiny bit. And I'm also going to use this brush for it, just to have an even and soft application. Now for the eyes, I would recommend you keep it simple for an everyday eye makeup look. And I'm going in with the color Tattoo in Pink Gold, which is basically like a cream eyeshadow that's going to dry on its own. And it also will make it long lasting, and all what you can do with it is you can use it with your finger. So again, you have a quick application and it will give you such an easy look. And they have various shadows, like various colors also of it. And I just decided with the whole look that I want to go for, choosing the pink one. And you can use your fingers with it, just swirl around a bit until you have a bit on your finger, and then applying it on the main lid area and just a tiny bit like to the direction of your crease. Now to finish off the eye makeup look, all what we need is a bit of mascara to open the eye. And I'm going to use the Great Lash, which is one of the best mascaras in my opinion. And it just will help you to achieve that really nice curl also in your eyelashes, as well as the intensity of the black color is so amazing that this is also one of my favorites, because some mascaras turn into more of a grayish color, whereas this one is for sure black. And now moving on to the last step, which is lipstick. I'm going to use the color Sensual lipstick and the shade Smoky Rose. Now I definitely would recommend you, if you want to keep it very natural looking, that you're not going to choose a color that's too odd. And also make sure that the color that you have chosen, that you really like it and that you want to use it also on your lips. Because something that will look unusual and that you're not feeling comfortable with can also lead up to not being happy with the makeup look at the end. And so I've chosen this color right here, which you can also apply from the bullet or also use a lip brush with it, which you then are going to apply once fully and also beautifully that it's even on the lip, and then during the day you just need to reapply it in the center of the lip. Now from all the products that I've used for the full face of makeup look, which I wanted to keep in a very natural and lightweight finish, I have to say I love all of them. They perform so well. They go on so easy, you can use your fingers for a quick application and it will turn out so natural looking. And this is something that I wanted to show you, that with those products you can achieve a beautiful finish. And you just have to decide what color you need for your skin tone or what will suit you the best when it comes to the eyes. But at the end of the day, keeping it lightweight, keeping it simple and quick is the best way to achieve a natural looking makeup look. And this is by only using Maybelline products. Now I also do hope that you enjoyed this video / tutorial a lot and that you can also recreate the look at home, or you might be also curious about some of the products as they turned out also on my face, how I showed it to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. I purchased my products with my own money as this is an independent channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!